In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the spoiler tag on a post in Reddit. This is really useful if you've accidentally marked something as a spoiler, or if your post no longer contains spoiler content and you want everyone to see it normally in their feed. First, make sure you're signed into your Reddit account and that you're on the correct post you want to edit. This can be a post you created yourself, either in a subreddit or on your own profile. You can get there by going to your profile and looking under your posts, or by navigating directly to the subreddit where you originally posted it. Once you're on the post page, look for the three dots icon. This is usually found near the title or at the bottom of your post, depending on whether you're on desktop or using the Reddit app on your phone. On desktop, it's often next to options like share and save. On mobile, it may appear as a small menu button under your post. Click or tap on those three dots to open the options menu for that specific post. This menu controls various settings related to your post, such as editing, deleting, or changing flair. We're interested in the option that controls the spoiler status. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Remove Spoiler Tag, or simply Spoiler, if it's toggled on. If your post is currently marked as a spoiler, Reddit will give you the option to remove that tag. Go ahead and click or tap on Remove Spoiler Tag. When you do this, Reddit will update the post so that it is no longer hidden or blurred for users who haven't chosen to view spoilers. After you remove the spoiler tag, it's a good idea to refresh the page or back out and reopen the post to make sure the change has taken effect. The spoiler icon or label that used to appear next to your post title should now be gone. Users scrolling through the subreddit or their home feed will see your post as a regular post without any spoiler warning. Keep in mind that you should only remove the spoiler tag if your content truly doesn't reveal important plot points, story details, or sensitive surprises. Many communities have rules about spoilers, so use this feature responsibly, and that's all there is to it. By simply opening your post, clicking on the three dots, and choosing to remove the spoiler tag, you can quickly update how your content appears across Reddit.